Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make Kashmiri Wazwan special Lahabi kebab or Machi kebab at home. These are one of the special kebabs served in Wazwan. Mouth-watering kebabs slow cooked in an aromatic yogurt gravy, rich in texture and flavor. These spicy and succulent meat kebabs are melange of hot and a hint of tangy flavor. So let's get started. This delicacy I have taken around 3 teaspoons of salt, or you can take according to your taste, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of black cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 8 to 10 green cardamoms, 3 cloves, 2 black cardamoms, 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 4 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks, 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped coriander, 2 tablespoons of oil, paste of 2 fried onions that I have blended, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of mix of black and green cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon of dried crushed mint leaves, a teaspoon of cockscomb extract or red food color, it's optional, you can skip, 1 kg of coarse meat mince, half a kg of curd you can take more or less, depends on you, and 2 eggs for 1 kg of mince. Now in a mixing bowl I'll knead meat mince a bit and then add 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of fennel seed powder, half a teaspoon of black cumin seeds, mix of black and green cardamom powder. Mix and knead properly till everything's mixed properly. And then add 2 eggs. Keep kneading till it's smooth. Then cover and keep it in refrigerator for minimum 2 hours. So after 2 hours of refrigeration, I'll now shape them into kebabs. Moisten your hands with warm water and then shape. Lahabi kebabs are more like a boat shaped. Here the kebabs are ready. Now I'll refrigerate them again for around half an hour. Now the kebabs have been in the refrigerator, so I'll make broth for the kebabs. In a pan, I have taken enough water so that the kebabs get fully immersed in it, and then add black cardamom, green cardamom, cinnamon stick, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, cloves, half a teaspoon of fennel seed powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and bring it to boil. Once this broth starts to boil, I'll add refrigerated kebabs one by one. We have to make sure that there is enough water, that they are fully immersed in it. Stir, we need to be gentle with stirring so that they won't break. Cover and let it cook for around 45 minutes on low flame till kebabs are tender. So meanwhile, I have taken whisk yogurt in a pan and I'll keep it stirring on high flame. It's same like we prepare yogurt for yakni, so we have to keep it stirring so that it doesn't curdle. We will keep it stirring on high flame till it gets its first boil. So here you can see it has started to boil. So I'll simmer it and keep it on side so it thickens a bit. Now going back to kebabs, they have been boiling on low flame for around 45 minutes and they look cooked. So I'll turn off the flame and let them cool a bit. So once they are cool, I'll take them out from the broth and then strain the broth. Final stage of kebabs. In a pan, I have heated up 2 tablespoons of oil. Then I'll add cumin seeds. Saute and then add fried onion paste. Mix and add all the remaining spices: chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, fennel seed powder. Mix properly and then add the yogurt mixture. Keep mixing and then add the coriander leaves, garam masala, and then add the broth and the kebabs. And I'm adding half a cup of water. Cover and let it cook for around half an hour on low flame. So after 15 minutes on low flame, I'll add dried mint powder, and then I'll add food color. Food color, again, it's optional, you can skip it. Mix and let it cook for around more 15 minutes on low flame. So after half an hour on low flame, our drool-worthy Lahabi kebabs are ready. So I'll dish them out. These tender textured kebabs carry a flavor of remnants. Give them a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.